In this video, I will show you 5 amazing credit card benefits that you probably didn't know about. Now, if you're like most people, you think of your credit card as just a way to make payments and maybe earn some rewards. But the truth is, your credit card can be so much more than that. So whether you're looking for ways to save money on travel or get free stuff, stay tuned because I'm about to reveal some of the best-kept secrets of the credit card world. I've been using the same credit card for 6 years, but I plan to get a new one in 2022. I want to find a card that gives me benefits based on how I spend my money. For example, I want a card that gives me high points for the categories where I spend the most. I also want a card with perks that can save me money throughout the year. After looking at more than a dozen different cards, I found that many have attractive benefits that can save cardholders hundreds of dollars a year. Here are some of the best money-saving features you'll find on rewards credit cards in 2022. First is free check bags. Many co-branded airline credit cards offer a free first check bag on the airline. For example, the CDO Advantage Platinum Select World Elite MasterCard and Delta Sky Miles Gold American Express card offer this benefit for a certain number of companions traveling on the same reservation as the primary cardholder. If you travel 5 times a year and each time you have to pay the $30 check bag fee, then you will save $150. The second is free 2-day shipping. If you're doing online shopping this year, check to see if your credit card offers free 2-day shipping from ShopRunner. This website provides free shipping and returns from over 100 retailers like Saks Fifth Avenue, CB2, and Coach. Many credit cards offer this perk, including the Platinum Card from American Express, Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, and CD Premier Card. This credit card perk is important because it can save you a lot of shipping fees. If you use this card to buy products that usually come with free 2-day shipping, like Amazon products, you can save up to $10 on each purchase. This means that if you make 10 to 20 purchases in a year, you will easily save around $100 to $200 on shipping fees. The third is car rental insurance. One of the benefits of having a credit card is rental car coverage. This means that if you use your credit card to pay for your rental car, you will be covered in case something happens to it. Most major travel credit cards offer this benefit. So it depends on what kind of insurance do you get when you rent a car with your credit card. Credit card rental car insurance usually covers damage from theft or collision. This means that if something happens to the car, like it gets stolen or is in a wreck, your credit card company may pay to fix it or replace it. Your specific policy will depend on the terms and conditions of your credit card. If you don't have this perk, you might find yourself buying extra coverage from rental car companies. This can cost you a few $100s, depending on how long your rental is for. Fourth is rideshare benefits. If you use rideshare programs, you might want to consider a credit card that offers credits or bonus points for this expense, depending on the month. Let's say in general, if I spend more than $200 on rides using Uber or Lyft. Using a card like the American Express Gold Card or Platinum Card, which offers monthly Uber cash credits, is a perk that I would personally appreciate. Chase offers a few different cards. The Chase Sapphire Reserve and Chase Sapphire Preferred Card don't provide a credit for rideshare purchases, but they offer bonus points for Lyft purchases. You can use those points to get free flights or hotel stays in the future. Fifth is shopping discounts. Besides free shipping, credit cards offer discounts at stores and retailers. For example, programs like Amex offers and Chase offers provide targeted discounts or bonus rewards at participating merchants when you activate an offer and make a qualifying purchase. Capital One Shopping is an extension for your browser that allows you to save money online. It automatically searches for the best coupon codes and savings and applies them at checkout. There is a Capital One program called Spring that provides discounts for services that business owners often need. This includes deals and discounts at Priceline, Enterprise, FedEx, and QuickBooks. If you're looking for a credit card with good shopping perks, Find one that offers discounts or exclusive coupons at stores where you usually shop. That way, you can save hundreds of dollars each year on your shopping expenses. So if you're like me and are looking for a new rewards credit card, be sure to check out the benefits offered by these cards. You may be surprised at how much money you can save just by using one of these cards. Have you found a great rewards card that offers money-saving perks? Let us know in the comments below.